Coastal Wetland Restoration by Hacker-Russo. What are the wetlands? Coastal wetlands are described as the area of land that permanently or seasonally is inundated with fresh, brackish, or saline water and contains a range of plant species that are uniquely adapted to the degree of inundation. The wetlands are a large source of aquatic biodiversity as it is both an excellent breeding ground and a source for food. Why are the wetlands important? The wetlands provide a variety of ecosystem services, from flood protection, protection from coastal erosion, provides wildlife food and habitat, food for commercial fisheries, increases water quality, provides recreation, and performs carbon sequestration. Why are we losing the wetlands? The first reason is due to human activity. Through the use of urban and rural development, agriculture, silviculture, increased runoff into waterways, and water withdrawals. The second way is through natural processes, such as coastal erosion, inundation from sea level rising, and wetlands being converted to open water. On the next 4 slides, I'm going to talk about the solutions for coastal wetland restoration. These include the restoration of geomorphological structures, diverting waterways, re-wetting coastal wetlands, and small-scale measures. The first solution is through the restoration of geomorphological structures. This can be performed on salt marshes and mudflats, and it's where sediment is added to raise the land above the mean water level. This then allows the wetland plants to slow and ultimately prevent the coastal erosion process. The second solution is by diverting waterways. By dredging sediments and maintaining natural canals, the wetlands are diverted to go a more desirable path. The third solution is re-wetting coastal wetlands. As the title states, this is just re-wetting the dried out wetlands. This implements managed realignment where the hard flood line is set to a new one that's further inland. This new area then acts as a storm buffer and will get re-wetted over time. The second is depolarization. This is where the act of returning of reclaimed or drained land to the sea. The fourth solution is small-scale measures. This can be as simple as the clearing of trees, changes in land use, or changing agriculture practices to enhance the habitat and landscape quality. These 3 combined will ultimately enhance the ecosystem as well. This slide talks about how people living on the coastal wetlands have had their lives and homes affected. Many people have had to move further inland from saltwater intrusion. There's also been a reduced fishery output, increased flooding, and trillions of dollars worth of damages due to that flooding. There are also many volunteering programs that help with coastal restoration. On the federal governmental scale, there are many organizations such as the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration that you can join. On the more local/state scale, you can start by looking up online if there are any conservation efforts in your local area and start joining them. The final slide here is just a quick 5-minute video on YouTube.